Okay. Putting in the CD. The car is started. Where are we going?
We are going to an All-Star Weekend concert! Again.
In Syracuse. That's important.
Yeah.
We like Syracuse.
Yep. I have to blow my nose.
Oh my gosh, it's 11:11. Look at that.
Make a wish. Make a wish. Okay.
Okay. Our wish has to come true now because we just caught that off whatever.
Yeah, we didn't even plan that at all.
Nope.
Alright.
So, here we go. Put it into reverse.
I'm backing up now. Okay, which way are we going?
Like, you can go out there by that
So, like
light.
I'm going home?
Yeah, as if you're going home.
Alrighty. What was that? Come on now.
Nothing, you'll see it later.
Can't get enough.
I won't break this fever.
I need him.
Whoa, this thing just talked to me.
Duh, that's the point. It's a GPS. It's supposed to tell you where to go.
Alright, I only have 27 minutes of video left on here, so
No!
we'll go back on here.
Alright, see you later.